Hi guys, so today let's sit down and talk all about the new spring and summer 2019 trend of wearing neon colors. So neon colors can be a little bit intimidating, right? Especially if you're like me and you are over 40 and you're trying to stay on trend, but you don't want to look like you put too much crazy neons into your wardrobe. I personally love neons. Neon yellow is probably my favorite color, but if you follow me for any period of time, you will know I love a good pop of color. I love a good pink, I love a good yellow, I love a good purple, I love a good blue. I love bright colors. So when neons came back in and started creeping back in last year, I was all for it. I jumped on that neon trend so fast, you wouldn't believe it. So quite a few of the items I'm gonna show you are actually items that were purchased last year, but I will link similar items down below for you to be able to find for this year. So let's talk about some ways that we can actually incorporate these things into our current wardrobe. Because when you're in your 40s, nothing looks good about going out and buying an entirely neon outfit. It just screams, I'm trying too hard. So how I tend to take a trend like this, that's something that I already love, and incorporate it in, are things that are simple, like this top that I'm wearing right now. I got this last year. I wore it all year. I loved it. I got so many compliments on it every single time I wore it. Now, unfortunately, the yellow is sold out and the black is the only one in this one. I love pairing something like this with a white jean, a little jean jacket like I have on, and a very simple, basic shoe. You can wear anything from a flip-flop sandal to more of a heel type of thing that'll dress the outfit up. That pop needs to be in the color of the shirt. You're not trying to make the shirt and the shoes and everything stand out at once. So I like to have a more neutral shoe that is just going to kind of blend in a little bit more with my outfit. Now, if neon yellow is a little bit too much for you, you can always find a nice, really true, rich, vibrant color. Like a bright pink is a great color to really bring those colors into your wardrobe without maybe going to the extreme of a neon color. It still keeps you looking as if you are on trend. Now, if that bright pink top with a pair of white jeans, again, is just a little bit too much for you, you can always wear that bright pink top along with a darker jean to kind of bring it down a little bit to make it so it's not so jump in your face. Now, another way that I love to bring that neon color really into my wardrobe that is probably the easiest and the most subtle is to simply buy some sort of cardigan or sweater that has a bright pop of color to it. Now, you can simply put this on with an all white look, and that yellow in the sweater is your pop of color again. So it is very simple and easy. If you feel like that yellow is just a little bit too much or that pop of color in the sweater is a little bit too much, you can simply just take the sweater off. You can just simply put it over your bag or carry it over your arm. Now, another great option is you can simply bring the color in through a skirt. Skirts are fun and flirty and cute and fun and just make you smile when you wear a skirt, especially for me, a long maxi skirt. I found this one on Amazon. It was an amazing deal. I love the colors in this. I love that it's kind of a bright coral. I think on their website it's listed as red, but it's definitely kind of a reddish, rusty coral color with the bright pops of blue in throughout it. It is fun, flirty, and you just simply throw it on with a t-shirt. You can put a little jean jacket over it. You can wear it with flip-flops, or you can wear it with a nice little wedge or sandal. It is just a super cute, fun way to bring that pop of color in. Let's talk about shoes. Now, shoes, we all know I have an obsession with shoes, but can you see that pair of shoes right down there? These are my new summer staple. You can wear these with any outfit you choose. They just give that look. I have worn it already with all black outfits multiple times. In the summer, I plan on wearing that with all white outfits. With those all white outfits, you can just throw on this little jean jacket. You can throw on a sweater with that pop of color. It just makes it so fun, and it really makes that pop of color just stand out at your feet. If you are not comfortable bringing attention to certain areas of your body with the clothing, meaning a shirt or a cardigan or a sweater or something like that, this would be a great option for you to bring that pop of color in, because it is going to draw the attention to your feet and to your shoes and really bring that color in without drawing attention maybe to your belly or to your hips or to your waist or to your arms or whatever it might be that you might not be comfortable with. So I absolutely love just throwing that pop of color on in a pair of shoes. Now, if heels or wedges or things like that just aren't your thing, you can also do a cute little flat like this pair here. This pair is from Sam Edelman. It has been around for a while. They are a dupe of the Gucci kind of loafer. There are a ton of different options out there as far as these shoes go, but it's a great way you can throw that pop of color in just through a flat shoe. Another option is maybe find a really bright flip-flop. I don't personally yet have a pair in flip-flops, but I think that'd be a really great option that maybe I'll look into that while I'm doing this, see what I can find, and if I find something, I will post a link down below to show you guys some bright flip-flops. That sounds really fun. Now, the last thing I'm going to talk to you about, if you, again, you just don't want to draw that attention maybe to a body part, and if you really aren't into shoes that much or it's not your thing, try a bright and vibrant and neon colored bag. I have this pink one that I absolutely love. It's from Rebecca Minkoff. I found it about 2 years ago, but I think they still sell it on Amazon. I love the color of this and how bright it is. Now, I do have two other older bags that are bright colors as well. One is a Marc Jacobs crossbody. It's a much more casual bag. It's more for every day. But I can just wear this with a pair of jean shorts and a t-shirt and this bag, and it just adds that pop of color, still bringing that neon in. Now, if I don't want something like the Rebecca Minkoff that goes over my shoulder or across my body, then I also have this clutch. This is an old clutch from Stella & Dot, but this is a great little clutch. I can just wear it with anything, throw it on, I can take it with me, and again, it just adds that great pop of neon color without it having to be something that draws attention to your body. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little tips and tricks on how to wear the neon trend for the spring and summer of 2019. If you have any questions on anything I talked about here, please put a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys how you plan to incorporate the neon trend into your wardrobe this summer. I'd love to get some ideas from you guys as well. As always, everything I'm wearing will be listed down in the description box. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, and have a great day. Bye.